Hey everyone, welcome back to Alan Tech Gurus. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust your YouTube app settings on your iPhone so you can watch adult or mature content. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Once it's open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Next, scroll down and look for General Settings. Inside, you'll find an option called Restricted Mode. If it's turned on, it filters out mature content. To watch all content without restrictions, simply turn it off. Keep in mind, if you're using a supervised account or a restricted network, you might not be able to change this setting. If you still can't access mature content, go back to your profile settings and check if your account has age restrictions. Some accounts, especially those under 18, have automatic content filters. And that's it. Now you can adjust your YouTube settings to watch content without restrictions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.